everyone. Today we are going to see Efftronics on-campus placement questions, that is 5.3 LPA. Okay. First problem is given three integers a, b, c. Let a is the starting point in a line and b be the number of jumps and c is the length of each jump. Okay, they are given a line and they have given a starting point and the number of jumps you can jump and the length of each jump. Okay, what the task here is that written the absolute minimum element that you can reach. Okay, by using these three inputs you should reach the minimum element, that is absolute minimum element. That means no negative integers. If you are left with negative or negative integer, then give the output its absolute value. Okay, see the example. A is equals to 6, b is equals to 2, c is equals to 4. Okay, a is the starting point in the line. Let it be the 6. Okay, here 6 is here. Now you can move either forward direction or backward direction, but the thing you should return is the minimum element. If you want to return the minimum element, where should you start your direction? Towards this side, because if you go this side you will get the uh, maximum element. They are asking for minimum element, so you should travel in this way. So okay, so I have traveled in this way. Okay, this is the starting point and be the number of jumps now. So two jumps, you can jump only two jumps. In those two jumps you should reach the minimum element and the jump length is 4. Okay, for one jump you can jump for 4 points, you can cross 4 points. Okay, this is the thing. Now I am jumping from point 6 to towards my left side because I want minimum element to be written. Okay, now I have jumped, one jump has completed and I reached 2. Okay, I reached 2. Again I was left with another one jump because one jump is completed and the jump is there, so again I am jumping. Then I was left with -2 because the difference between 4. Okay, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 jumps. Okay, the length of the jump is 4. Now I was left with -2 and they were asking about absolute minimum element, so you are with -2. So the absolute value of -2 is 2, so the output is 2. Okay, that is the thing with first question. If you find the solution for this question in any of the language, Python, Java or any of the language, put it in the comment section so that everyone can see and learn it. Okay, that is the thing with this question. Coming to the another question, I hope you understand the previous question, first question. Okay, this is the second question. Okay, you are given an integer n and an array of elements. Okay, you should always start from origin. Okay, you should always start from origin. Okay, this is n is equals to 3. That means array length. N is array length. If this array has the elements. Okay, the thing here is that, see, first index, at the first index you can jump one jump, 1. Here the element is 1, so you can jump for ones. Okay, for I plus plus, when you reached here, where you were right now, you were at index 1 because you have jumped previously. Now you are at 1. Now previous 1 plus this 1, 1 plus 1, 2, you can jump for 2 jumps. Okay, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 jumps you can jump. Now you were at 3. Now I plus plus, now you were at array index 3. Okay, this is also 1. Okay, now 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. Now you can jump for 3 jumps at a time. 3, your index is at 3 and you have jumped to 3 indexes, length of 3 indexes. Now you were at 6. This is the thing with this question. You will give an array with the elements. What you have to do, you should return the final point you were reached for. The output for this is 6. Okay, I hope you understand this. You will give an integer n, that is the length of the array, 1 1 1. Okay, now you have to jump For first index, one jump. Okay, you were jump here, now you are here. For your I plus plus, now your index is here. This index plus previous index, you should plus the both, and you should jump. Now 1 plus 1 2, here 1 and 2 jumps, now you are here again I plus plus, now you are here. Previous ones also you should add up. 1 plus 1 plus 1 3 jumps at a time. Okay, this is the thing with this question, and you should written the last point you are reached with. Okay, I hope you got this. If you find the solution for this, put it in the comment section. Okay, the third question is, it was repeated for several people, so have a good idea on this and find the solution for this also. They are Bob and Alice. The string for Bob is this one, and string for Alice is this one. Now you should written the minimum integer that string of Bob should be repeated, so that Alice string is subsequence of it. Subsequence means if this is the string, it should be present in this string, but not it is not that every element is side by side. They can be in a sequence. Okay, in an order, they should be in an order but not side by side. That is the thing called subsequence. Okay, now the question is, you are given two strings, Bob string and Alice string. Now you can repeat Bob string as many as times you want, but the thing is that Alice string should be a subsequence of this Bob string. You should written minimum number of times Bob string is repeating, so that we can find Alice string as subsequence of Bob string. Okay, now A B C D E F G is repeated for once. Okay, up to here, A B C D E F G, it was repeated for once. Okay, now you let us see if you can find this string in this. You can only find A D A E F, up to here you can find, so it is not a subsequence. So repeat it one more time. A B C D E F G, now you repeated the Bob string two times. Now again check if it is a subsequence of this or not. Yes, it is subsequence. A, E, F, B, C. Yes, it is a subsequence. So what you should written? You should written 2, because the minimum number of times Bob string is repeating in order to get the LS string as subsequence of it is 2. Okay, that is the thing with third question. It is repeated for 2 or 3 members. So have a good idea on this, and if you find answer solution for it, put it in the comment section. That is the thing with this question. I hope you got it. You should repeat minimum number of times Bob string, so that it is a you can find subsequence of ls string in this string. Okay, in Bob string. Fourth question, they have given a device number and you should find its minimum distance from the endpoints. Okay, see, you are given a device number 34B. Okay, you are given, and you are given a line where you can get a several device numbers, and these are endpoints. If you have slash or underscore, that is also considered as an endpoint. Okay, now what you have to do means, you should written the minimum distance from the endpoints to this given device. Okay, to this given device you should return the minimum distance from its endpoints. Okay, let it be endpoint, and this is also endpoint because underscore is an endpoint, and this is also an endpoint. Now from here to 34B is 3. Okay, length is 3. From underscore to 34B is 2. Okay, again from 34B to 9B is 2. Now what is the minimum of these? Output is 2. Okay, the output is 2. Minimum distance from the end point you should return. Okay, see another example. 34B, 1B, 2B, 3B. 34B itself we at the end point, so your distance from the end point is 0. That you should return. Okay, that is the thing with this fourth question. I hope you understand all the questions. First question, I hope you got. You are given with three integers, start and number of jumps and length of the jump. You should return the absolute minimum element that you can reach. Okay, if you are left with minus element, then you should return its minimum element. Why I'm not traveling towards right side means I want minimum element, so I should travel towards my left. Okay, I hope you got this question. Okay, output is 2. Okay, second question I explained for you. For one index you should jump this one. For I plus plus means you should add up these two and that number of times you should jump. And at third index you should jump by adding all the previous elements and itself, and you should jump. That is the thing, and you should return the final element you are reaching with. Okay, that is the thing with second question. And third question I have explained in previous video also about this question, and it is repeated again. Subsequence problem, have a look on it. And fourth question, right now I explained the minimum distance from the endpoints to a given device. Okay, that is the thing with this fourth question. And finally, thank you. If you find this video as informative, please do like, subscribe and share this video so that everyone can see it. And if you find the solutions for the previous questions, put it in the comment section so that your friends and your parallels can see and learn from them. Thank you. Even I will learn from you. Okay, thank you.